Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Got a special unboxing. Something coming in. I think I know who this is from, but let's take a look together. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Riot and Leon Ma designed Remedy. I couldn't remember for a second. Sorry. Love this knife, and it's just a really nice knife. All right, so let's get into this box. Oh, yeah. This is from Remette. A little receipt. All right, so Remette reached out and asked if I wanted to take a look at this knife. I might have looked at this before, so it'll be a giveaway probably. But let's find out. Let's see what this one is. I do like their budget knives, and it's one. If it's a one that I think we've already looked at, you are going to like this one as well. Oh, here we are. This is a Remette Camel. Yes. All right, a men and women folding knife, by the way. This is one of their budget lines. This is the Camel one. All right, this is in the G10. Okay, it's a button. Is this a button or top liner lock? It looks like a top liner lock. Let's figure this out. We got the gold black G10. I think we did a green one last time, right? Oh, yeah. All right, and this is, did it say what the steel was on this guy? No, not here. Let's see if it's on the knife. Sometimes it's on here somewhere. Maybe. D2. D2. So this is what I would consider, and I think this definitely falls into super budget realm, right? Oh yeah, look at that. This is definitely a super budget realm knife. And it's reversible pocket clip with the, oh, I like the gold on the black. That's kind of really nice looking. Dead nut centered. No detent lash. Flip, nice and solid. You got a choil, finger choil that you can choke up. Nice jimping. Functional jimping, nice flat grind. I like that kind of a gold, if you will, PVD or coated blade. It does have a kind of a thin clip. I mean, this is one of those clips that it'll work, it'll flex. It is a steel clip, just so you know. This is a budget knife. Steel liners, of course. I mean, you know, at this price, it is ridiculously great price for what you get. But at this price, you know, I think you get a lot. It is captive pivot, T8 right there. T8, yeah. G10 scales. It is, let's see here, is this? Yeah, it is a liner, button liner lock. So I can close it like this, right? Pretty good action, actually. It's definitely cage bearings, I can tell you that. Or you can do the flipper. And the flipper's got some nice jimping all the way to the end, so it's not going to slip off. I like that. And I think, let's see, can we do the push? We can do the push button, okay? And the light switch. Both work really well. We've got the fuller. And what I also like is that because of that thumb hole, I can do a slow roll. And because it is a button liner lock, I can do all this left-handed. You see? All this left-handed. And you can reverse the pocket clip. It's really nice. Now, let's see here. When I choke up here, I'm absolutely going to clear this. When I'm here, I'm going to clear that. I don't have an issue right-handed with that button. Left-handed, perfectly fine here. This is the only spot where this is the only spot right here where it might become an issue. Now, for me, the way I'm going to carry this, it's still going to be kind of in that little spot there, so I would be okay, right? And I'm going to be choked up. If I'm here, I'm perfectly fine. I feel like I would be okay like that. So that is really cool. It's got a nice little action. Brand new out of the box. So, you know, still breaking in. So you can go down low down here, right? Or you can go up here like that. Likewise over here, we can go down low on the side like that, or we can go up high, put the whole thumb in there. Let's see here, can I get in there? I'm not always as strong with left-handed, but it does thumb flick really well. You see that? And we can do slow roll like that. So I think that's really cool. Very, very cool little knife. All right, very, very good. I like this little guy. This will definitely be a future giveaway, but I think I already did a review on this guy. Sorry if you hear my cat in the background. I think the cats are fighting. I need to close the door. I didn't expect them to get at it with each other here. So you hear cat fights. Really cool. I like the colors on this one. I think the last one we had was green. I'm pretty sure that was the case. So let's take a look at this in gold. I like the gold with the black. It's actually a nice touch. I think that's kind of a cool combo. Nice big finger choil right there. I like the Remette logo. Nice captive pivot. I like the texture here on the G10. I like the little insert right here. That's where you can reverse the pocket clip. That's really cool. I like the T8 hardware. I think that's really, really cool. We have two standoffs. We do have a place for a lanyard pin, so you can absolutely tie a lanyard on there. And if you look in here, On this side right here, you can absolutely see a great amount of weight relief on the steel liner. Now on this side, I mean, this is G10 on top of the steel liner, so liners are relatively thin, but this is a liner lock here. Now, of course, just so you know, steel, right? Which is good because then you don't have to do a steel bar insert. You do have cutaway, nice cutaway right here with a little chamfer on there. So easy to get to. I mean, that's really easy to disengage. Look at that. Really easy to disengage. And I got to look back at this, but I thought I remembered it was a little hard to get into. Is this a change? I think this might be a change. I got to go back and look. You guys help me out. But I will try to see if that's the case. And if it is, I'll try to post something right here. But I thought I remembered that it wasn't necessarily as cut out here. Oh, I really like that. If it was, then I would probably have enjoyed it as much as I'm enjoying it right now, right? For sure. But that's really nice. All right, so we got the nice here. We got the, okay, so this, it is inset into the scale. The screws are recessed. That's really nice. Nice little pocket clip going up in and out. It is a little thin, so if you got really thick pants, that might be a little tight on there. You might bend the clip a little bit, but you know, just something to keep in mind. But definitely a lanyard pin right there. Feels really good. D2 steel can be really good if you got a nice heat treat on there. I know Taylor Hardness has been doing some heat treat tests on there. I'm kind of curious where Remette's at. I hope this is one of those where they get like, you know, 60, 61. That would be really ideal. Maybe 62. That would be super cool. I don't know. I don't know at this point. But I think it's a pretty cool little knife. I've always liked this budget banger. I feel like you get a lot. You get a whole lot for this knife. And I like the colors. I do like the colors on this one. That's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Really nice. I like the gold. I got to tell you, I do like the color profile. I've not done the black and gold together before, but that really does work. That looks kind of classy. Looks real classy to me. And the jimping up here, very functional. It does work. I mean, it's not super aggressive, like glove worthy. I don't think it's glove worthy. I mean, but it works. And I love, now this I'm going to call a sheep's foot, right? Because we've got a little belly coming up and we're coming over. Now, it's almost worn cliffy. Maybe it's a worn foot or a sheep's cliff. I don't know. But it's nice. I like the blade shape because it does give you a nice pokey tip to get into dog food, cat food, fertilizer, mulch. Let's feel that edge. So nice edge on this side. It's a short edge. It's not a long edge. But it does have a nice flat grind, almost a full flat grind. So it comes down to a nice, be a nice slicer. Oh, that actually is breaking in pretty good. And so is the opening. It was pretty crisp at first. Oh yeah, that's really nice now. I do like that. It's cool. Yeah. No, yeah, and the chamfering here is really nice. I either absolutely loved and noticed all this about it the first time around, or they did a couple of things different. I feel like this is different. I could be wrong, but either way, I like it. If it was the same as before, then I probably one of the reasons why I loved it. If it's not, I appreciate what they did here because this is a lot easier to get to. I remember the button lock being super nice, right? The button lock here. It's not button lock, but it's a button liner lock. But I don't remember the liner lock being just so easy by itself. I do like that a lot. So some people will close their button liner locks like this, which I think is kind of weird. But, you know, you can do whatever you want. It's kind of like, I guess, being a lefty, right? You do that. That's really cool. All right, very impressive. I like the knife the first time. I do remember I liked the knife a lot of the first time around. If everything's exactly the same, then everything I pointed out is exactly the same. I do remember the clip being just a little bit thin. I thought so, but I don't remember having the same access. I think this is an improvement right here. I like that. If it's the same, then I must have liked it before because it's great. Easy access. You clear, by the way. Here's the like the double detent, so you clear it right there. So once you're there you go. This closes really nice. So very, very cool knife. This is going to be a fun giveaway. Thank you to Remette for allowing me to to check it out again, but also to make this a giveaway knife. They actually said they would like this to be a knife for a giveaway. So I'm very, very appreciative to Remette for that. Thank you to Remette. yeah, I don't get paid. I don't get anything from this. You know, I like a good knife, and this is a good knife. We gave away a really cool knife for the 12K giveaway. I think was it Bradford? I can't remember who. Somebody donated a really nice knife, and they did some anodization on there, and it was a really beautiful one. And yeah, that was fun to give away. So Remette has some really nice top, nicer knives, and then they have some fantastic banger budget knives. And this is one of those. I really appreciate a knife that's functional, comfortable. I get there's some cool designs out there. People love the radical over the top, and I get it. That's fair. Buy what you love and love what you buy, right? This is the kind of stuff that I feel comfortable using. I could buy for someone. I could give someone, especially if they have, like strength problems. Because some people, doing the liner lock is challenging, but most people can do a button, right? Because you can open and close it like that, right? You got that. You can flip it. You can push down on it, right? You can do the slow roll. You can treat it like a slip joint, do a two-hand, right? You can do the reverse flick, all that. I think all that's really cool. And it's D2 steel. So very, very cool. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, entertaining, or any of those things, would you consider hitting that like button? If you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel really does help out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the community. I sure do appreciate you so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. You do two amazing things for me. You encourage me by your memberships. Thank you. I really do mean that. Thank you. And because of your generous support through your memberships, you allow the channel to do a lot of things way sooner than we ever thought I could. So thank you. For instance, once a week budget banger giveaways. And even sometimes when we get awesome things given to the channel like this, which thank you, Remette, I still got to cover the cost of shipping. So channel members, you're a huge part of that. And I just want to say thank you for that. Also, we got milestones coming up, and I'm starting to work toward those milestones, especially the big 15K. That's a huge milestone, so that's going to take a long time to get there, right? That's something I usually take almost 6 months to work at, because to have worthwhile giveaways, it's not cheap for me, right? I'm not a big, huge giant channel. I don't get people donating, multi-$1,000 knives. Sometimes people do some amazing things, and I never assume that. I never, ever assume that. So I always make this a long journey because I want it to be something worthwhile. And also I want you to know that it means a lot to me what you guys do. And so I really put effort into it because I want you to know the effort you do by just being part of the channel means the world to me. So I want to, reciprocate, do likewise to you guys because I appreciate it. I really do. So yeah, if you like that, subscribe, hit that notification button, and channel members, thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to do two things. Brand new channel members, email me your name and address. Let me know you're a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little handwritten note. I want to do that as long as I possibly can. Secondly, channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have 2 giveaways. Members can enter both, members could win both. And I always try to make sure the members giveaway is a little bit nicer than budget banger giveaway, something hopefully you enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. That's my small way to say thank you to you guys. If that sounds cool to you, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers of membership. I would be honored, blown away by any tier of membership and any length of membership. 1 month, bottom tier, I'm honored, truly honored. Anything above that, I'm blown away, right? So thank you, thank you. But please, if you feel pressured or, like forced to do that, please don't do it. But if you choose to do so, thank you. I really do mean that. Thank you. Some of you guys are going to say, what about the emojis you can use here on the live stream? What about the kazoo salutes? What about the anniversary stuff? What about the exclusive content? There's that and more. It's never enough. There are small ways for me to say thank you and just let you know how much I appreciate you, because I do. I really do. All right. Very cool. Appreciate you guys watching the video all the way to here. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram. Oh, you know what? Did the wrong one. Typically, we stop on this one, right? So maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. I do a little thank you here. My way of saying thank you. Again, over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.